Today we're learning about how to solve E equations. Now it's the exact same idea as solving natural log equations. It's just that this time, because what we don't know is this exponent on the E, which remember E is this very, very special number that occurs in nature with an infinite decimal that we can't say precisely, so it's just called E. But since we don't know that exponent, we've got to change it into a natural log in order to solve for the exponent. I'll show you what I mean. So again, we always want to follow the first, last, middle rule. So first, natural log, which remember is the same as log base E, of last 63 equals the middle, A. And now I can just plug into my calculator natural log, that ln button of 63 gives me that A is 4.143, and I'm done. So all you're doing is you're transforming these exponent equations into log equations in order to be able to solve it. So on this next one, now before we can solve it, we've got to get E by itself. Well, what's being done to E right now? It's being multiplied by -4, so we've got to divide by -4. Now we know a negative divided by a negative is positive, so if we do 33 divided by 4, we get that that is 8.25. So we get E to the n equals 8.25. Now we can first, last, middle this because E is by itself. The E with the exponent, so that becomes first natural log last 8.25 equals the middle n. So go ahead and natural log that, and we get n is 2.11, and that's my answer. Now what if we've got a whole lot going on? Well, it's still the same exact process. So again, we want to try to get E by itself. So I'll box that in. And we're pretending this is one giant variable. So do I undo multiplication, division, or addition, subtraction first? Always undo addition, subtraction first. So I subtract 4, I get 5e to the v minus 9 equals 90. Then we have to undo that multiplication, so divide by 5, 90 divided by 5 gives me 18, so I get e to the v minus 9 equals 18. Now is e by itself? Absolutely. Now we can go ahead and first, last, middle. Natural log first of the last 18 equals the middle, v minus 9. So go ahead and find the natural log of 18. We get that that's 2.89. So we get that 2.8904 equals v minus 9. But again, v isn't quite by itself yet, but now you've got just a normal equation. Add 9, plus 9, it should just be 11 point that. So we get 11.8904. And that is my v. So this works the exact same way as having to isolate log and convert it to an exponent. It's just that this time we're wanting to do it the other way around. Now we're trying to isolate the exponent and convert it to a natural log because E and natural log have special properties that we can easily work with. And again, the calculator in your pocket has natural log as long as you twist it to the side. But you can also use Desmos as your online calculator. Desmos also works very well. All right, let me know if you have any questions.